Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling like no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck in the same financial rut? What if I told you that most women are caught in a financial trap, and they don't even know it? In today's video, we're going to uncover why most women are always broke and, more importantly, how to break free from that cycle for good. Trust me, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay with me to learn exactly how you can take control of your financial future starting today. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden factors that keep most women stuck financially, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to change that. We'll break down the biggest reasons why women struggle with money, from the pay gap to lack of financial education, and how to turn things around with actionable steps that you can start implementing right now. So, if you're ready to change your financial future, keep watching. Most women are often taught, either directly or indirectly, that their worth is tied to how well they take care of others. Whether it's working at a job they don't love, juggling family responsibilities, or being the nurturer in their relationships, many women are constantly giving and never prioritizing their own financial well-being. And then there's the trap of instant gratification. We've all been there, seeing something on sale and thinking, I deserve this. While treating yourself isn't wrong, it can quickly become a habit that keeps you from saving or investing in your future. But let's be real, one of the biggest contributors to women staying broke is the pay gap. According to the US Census Bureau, women earn 82 cents for every dollar a man makes. This gap not only impacts your current income but also your future savings and retirement plans. Women are often underpaid, overworked, and sometimes even undervalued. This cycle of earning less and spending without a solid plan is why so many women feel financially stuck. But here's the thing, there's hope, and you can start changing things today. Let's start with the harsh truth. Most women are stuck in a financial trap, but here's why. 1. Pay gap and underpayment. Despite everything we've achieved, women are still paid less than men. The pay gap in the US means women are earning 82 cents to every dollar a man makes. This puts us at a disadvantage not just now, but it affects how much we can save, invest, and retire with later. 2. The mentality of not prioritizing yourself. Women are taught to put others first, our families, our jobs, our partners, while neglecting our own financial health. This mindset keeps us from investing in ourselves, from demanding better pay, or even simply budgeting properly. 3. Instant gratification and poor spending habits. It's so easy to swipe that credit card for things we don't need. We convince ourselves, I deserve this. But those little impulse buys add up over time, leaving us with little to no savings, drowning in debt, and wondering where our money went. 4. Lack of financial education. Here's the real kicker. Most of us aren't taught how to manage money properly. We're not taught about investing, budgeting, or even how to grow our wealth. So, we continue making the same financial mistakes without knowing any better. Now that we've identified the problems, let's talk about how to fix them. The good news is, you can take control of your financial situation. Here's how. Fix 1. Get financially educated. Start by learning about money management, budgeting, investing, and how to build wealth. There are countless resources, books, podcasts, and YouTube channels, like this one, that break down financial concepts in simple terms. The more you know, the more you can empower yourself to make smart decisions with your money. Fix 2. Set clear financial goals. Create a budget, track your spending, and start saving. Even if you can only save a small amount at first, consistency is key. Start by setting small, achievable financial goals like saving 20% of your income each month. As you reach these goals, you'll build the discipline to go even further. Fix 3. Invest early and smartly. Investing doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to be a priority. Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, whatever works for you. The earlier you start investing, the better. Even small amounts can grow over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Fix 4. Cut back on impulse spending. Next time you feel the urge to splurge, ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Prioritize your long-term financial health over short-term satisfaction. Before buying, ask, Will this help me reach my financial goals? If not, maybe it's time to skip that purchase. Fix 5. Create scalable income streams. Stop relying solely on your day job. Start a side hustle or explore passive income options. Whether it's an online business, freelancing, or investing in income-generating assets, create opportunities to earn money without trading hours for dollars. This way, you can scale your earnings and secure financial independence. Here's the deal: if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one small step. Start by getting financially educated. Just one book or podcast can change your perspective. Create a budget. Open a savings account. If you can, start investing in something small, even if it's just $20 a month. It's not about doing it all at once. It's about creating a plan, sticking to it, and making those small, consistent steps that add up over time. The good news? You're already on the right path by watching this video. That's the first step. Now, let's take action. If you're ready to break free from the cycle of financial stress and build the life you deserve, here's what you need to do. Like this video if you're willing to start this process with us, together. Subscribe to Her Income now so you never miss a tip that could change your financial future. Hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop for the latest strategies on making and managing money. Take one step today, whether it's budgeting, starting a side hustle, or learning something new about investing. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about taking consistent action. You have the power to change your financial life, and it all starts with you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start this journey to financial freedom, together.